So today is January 31st, and we're trying out cereal for the first time with Miss Danielle. So we'll see what she does. Ready, Danielle? Open. Here's it going. Is that good?
Yeah.
She's using her tongue. Want a bite?
Swallow.
Yay!
She doesn't know what to do.
Yeah. Here, should you try more? So now she's eating her bib. Danielle! Danielle! Just a little more, ready? Open. Obviously none of it's getting in her mouth because it's not supposed to. You gotta take a picture of her. Should we try a little? Swallow. Is that good? Take a picture.
Oh, I'm videotaping, babe. I'll take a picture when it's done.
Swallow. She's kind of confused. But she's... Bite. Yummy! Is that good? You like it? I don't really know how much you're supposed to give her. Open. Ah! You can stop me.
Is that
You're
good?
doing a good girl job. Are you doing a good girl?
Danielle. Big smiles. Give me big smiles. Can I get big smiles?
You want more?
Yeah.
Open.
Big smiles.
So it's all over me. All over my neck. Open. Okay.
We're done?
Yeah, we try more later.